Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will talk about what is entrepreneurship is all about. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is entrepreneurship? Entrepreneurship can be defined as the process of creating or starting a new venture or business by identifying a need or opportunity in the market and then taking the necessary actions to bring it to fruitful. This process involves taking risks, making decisions, and being innovative in order to create value and generate profits. Entrepreneurship has been recognized as an important driver of economic growth and development, as it creates new jobs, stimulates innovation, and improves productivity. In addition, entrepreneurship is seen as a way to address societal challenges such as poverty and inequality by providing new solutions and creating social value. There are different types of entrepreneurship, including small business entrepreneurship, social entrepreneurship, and high growth entrepreneurship. Small business entrepreneurship refers to the creation of a new venture that is usually locally focused and aims to provide goods or services to the local community. Social entrepreneurship, on the other hand, refers to the creation of a new venture that aims to address a social problem or challenge and seeks to create social value rather than just profits. High growth entrepreneurship refers to the creation of a new venture that has the potential to grow rapidly and create significant economic value. Entrepreneurship is not without its challenges. However, starting and growing a new venture can be risky, and entrepreneurs face a number of barriers such as lack of access to funding, difficulty in attracting and retaining talent, and regulatory obstacles. Nevertheless, entrepreneurship continues to be an important engine of economic and social change. In conclusion, entrepreneurship is a multifaceted and dynamic process that involves identifying opportunities, taking risks, and creating value through innovation. It is an important driver of economic growth and development and has the potential to address social challenges and create social values. For my reference, I have here GCash Outreach DB 1990 Innovation in Small Firms, Cambridge, Massachusetts, MIT Press, ECSJ Outreach DB 2003 Handbook of Entrepreneurship Research, an interdisciplinary survey in the introduction, Boston, Massachusetts, Glowell Academic Publishers. And lastly, I have here Austin J. Stevenson H. V. Skerling J. 2006 Social and Commercial Entrepreneurship, same different or both entrepreneurship theory and practice. Okay guys, so and we have also here Baumol W.J. Entrepreneurship, Productive and Destructive Journal of Political Economy. Parker S.J. 2009 The Economics of Entrepreneurship, Cambridge, United Kingdom, Cambridge University Press. And lastly, we have here Shane S. Venkataraman S. 2000 The Promise of Entrepreneurship as the Field of Research, Academy of Management Review. Okay guys, so this is the end of my presentation about what is an entrepreneurship. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.